This protocol is significant as it describes a method which can be used to separate several fluorescent signals in a single sample. Compared to traditional methods, excitation scanning can increase the speed of the experiment and improve the sensitivity of the data.
By using different illumination sources, such as a supercontinuum laser, this method may be applicable to spinning disk or laser scanning confocal microscope systems. When performing excitation scanning spectral imaging microscopy, it is important to check that the excitation peak of each fluorescent label occurs at a different wavelength.
To begin, set up an inverted fluorescence microscope and camera as described in the text protocol. Then, load the sample on the stage. From the drop-down menu of the Micromanager main window, select 475 nanometers for initial sample viewing. Then, double-click the box next to Exposure and enter 100 to set the exposure time at 100 milliseconds. Finally, click Live to view the sample. Now, click on Auto, the Automatic Intensity Viewing Range button, to bring the minimum and maximum values into meaningful visual ranges. Next, use the microscope's focus knobs to focus the sample. Once in focus, adjust the position of the sample so that its edge is in the center of the field of view. Then, fine-tune the focus. The sample is in focus when the edge features in the image appear sharp.